Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. So, this is Chin from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So, ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, umpisa na natin for the sign of Pisces. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng isang pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa ating mga kapatid ng Pisces. Angel Spirit Guides, there's a strength card. So, ibig sabihin dito, na kailangan lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo, no? Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And because there is a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success, no? At the end of the time, kumbaga, yung fear na yan, magsisilbing kalakasan mo yan, ko? No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, the Six of Wands is a victory and of course, you are on the spotlight, no? Kumbaga, habang nandiyan ka, sa momentum na yan, panghawakan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's the lovers. So, mayroon ditong love life. Are you unconditional love or something, a partnership or everlasting promises or something? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. So, there's a faithful ending and of course, there's freedom. Na para nakalaya ka na sa sakit at kirot and of course, sa mga betrayal and of course, disappointments. At the same time, there's a Three of Swords, no? Kumbaga, there's kumbaga meron ditong sakit pa din ng nakaraan na nagdulot sa'yo ng stress and of course ng depressions. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. There's slow and steady, no? Kumbaga unti-unti ka na nakaka-recover from the pain. So, let's see what is the Strength card. What is the Strength card? Strength card represent the Three of Wands. So, waiting for a result to waiting for a shift, no? Kumbaga, strongest energy na dapat marunong ka mag-antay, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na para sa'yo, may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo. What is the Six of Wands? At of course, there's a trouble. And because the Queen of Pentacles represent the Six of Wands. So, sinasabi dito, there's good sense pagdating sa finances, no? Kumbaga, maaaring lumakas ang negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Maaaring dumugin ka ng client or customers. No? What is the Lovers card? There's a higher fun. There's a lesson learned, no? May mga bagay na nangyari sa inyo with your partnerships, with your husband, with your wife. Pero tendencies, there's an Emperor. Naging mature ito, na parang hinulma kayo being a maturity. Parang sa lahat ng pinagdaanan nyo, parang yan yung naging lesson sa mga bagay na sakit ng nakaraan na nagdulot ng betrayal, deception, or of course, ng temptation. So, some of you nangyari sa tukso, or buyo, or susol ng barkada, or susol ng family, or toxicities, no? So, around you, environment, family issues. No, maaaring nagkaroon ng ganyan, pero nasa sa'yo yung alas. Kumbaga, parang stand on your ground. Na kumbaga, pinanghawakan mo to na dapat maging mature ako sa mga decision ko. So, binago mo na yon and nabago na yung sistema na yan. So, let's see what is the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords represent the Ace of Swords. There's a mental clarity. So, ngayon nagkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan sa isip, no? Kumbaga, naliwanagan ka at nakita mo ang katotohanan sa likod ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan. So, kumbaga ngayon pinaaral mo ng kalimutan at inaaral mo ng makabangon at makaahon, no? Mula dun sa depression or anxieties or stress, no? Or backstabbing, betrayal, or cheating, lying, ganon. Kumbaga, nakaka-recover ka na unti-unti. Because there's a Three of Swords. What is the Three of Swords? There is a Seven of Pentacles, harvest time. No? At the end of the time, lahat ng ginawa mo, makukuha mo. No? Kumbaga, nasaktan ka man, nabudol ka man, niloko ka man, pinagtraidoran ka man, at the end of the time, kung ano man yung ginawa mo, magra-reflect sa'yo yan. So, ibig sabihin, ginawang ka nilang gantong eksena nila, hayaan mo sila sa kanila babalik yan. Dahil ang tunay na kaligayahan nasa loob at nasa puso mo, na wala kang ginawang masama sa kanila, bagkos, pinaubayan mo sa ating poong may kapal. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands, there's a devil energy, no? Kumbaga, minsan natitrigger ka, no? Parang sinasabi dito, mukhang nagkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, yung patience mo, no? Kumbaga, naiiksi, ano, parang nagiging padalos-dalos ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Or something, a devil energy, mukhang pinababagal niya yung takbo ng finances mo. Let's see what is the devil, mamaya, no? What is the strength card across the Three of Wands? There's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. A new beginning that brings you a success, no? Recognitions. And of course, what is the Six of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles? There's a Queen of Swords. The bigger feature of yourself. Kapag nakita mo ka nag-aagad yung kay hinatnan or mangyayari sa'yo, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, habang nandiyan ka sa momentum, habang nandiyan ka sa isang situation, no? Kumbaga, aralin mo, kumbaga samantalahin mo, no? Kumbaga, abang nandun ka sa kasaganahan or hanggat nandun ka sa kalakasan about sa negosyo o trabaho mo, samantalahin mo. Dahil may times na tutumal o may times na para magkakaroon ng kumbaga, problema dyan. So, habang wala pa, mag-invest, magtipid, magtabi, no? So, ibig sabihin dito na kailangan mong maging mautak. So, let's see what is the Lovers and the Hierophant and the Emperor. And of course, there's a Five of Cups, no? Kumbaga, maraming regrets na nangyari dito, no? Kumbaga, maraming regrets or some of you, kumbaga, or there's a cross watcher, no? Maaring nagkaroon ng, kumbaga, pagsisisi sa nangyari sa nakaraan or something, no? Let's see what is the Ten of Swords and the Ace of Swords. There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Itong tao na to, nagkaroon siya ng mental clarity, natauhan na siya, nalaman niya na ng pagkakamali niya at the end of the time, kumbaga, naging devoted and of course, naging supportive siya sa person niya, no? So, let's see what is the Three of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. And of course, there's a Nine of Pentacles and of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin naka-line up, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng success dito in the near future. At the same time, is a long-term success and long-term investment, no? Long-term relationship, rather. So, what is the Knight of Wands and of course, the Devil card? Let's see what is the Knight of Wands and the Devil card. There's a Three of Pentacles. So, guys, there's information na sinasabi sa dito na maaari pinatrabaho kayo or maaari nang gumagawa sa inyo ay katrabaho nyo or maaaring kaibigan nyo, or maaaring kapitbahay nyo. Parang either na gano'n. Kumbaga, there is some teamwork, or some of you baka multiple na yung gumagawa sa inyo. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Ace of Cups. A new beginning, a new romantic cycle. No? May bagong pag-ibig na darating with the Moon card. The truth reveal. No? With that unexpected. And of course, there's a dream coming true. At the same time, there's the Hangman. No? Kumbaga, yung mga delays and of course, lahat ng mga cancellations na nangyari sa'yo from the past, kumbaga, papalitan to ng fulfillment. Diba? Pasabog. Kumbaga, there's a Hangman. Or some of you parang nakakaramdam ng parang lutang or something, mag-cleansing. No? Mag-cleansing. Nasa ating YouTube channel, How to Cleansing. Nandun yung videos natin. So, kailangan nyo mag-cleansing dito. There's a devil energy. So, you need to do that. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? Love Oracle card represent the twin flame. So, some of you, there's a yin and yang zen with a balance. No? Magkakaroon kayo ng balance. And of course, talagang may soul connections kayong dalawa. At the same time, there's a dragonfly. Sinasabi, there's a change and heal. No? Kumbaga, may mga kagalingan ka dito na mangyayari. No? Kumbaga, a transformation and evolutions. And of course, there's a date. Some of you guys, there's a meeting for someone. Or there's a set for date or occasional or something, no? May dating dito. Or some of you baka may date kayo or getting to know each other. May person na bagong pag-ibig na papasok dito. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent I am charismatic. So, sinasabi dito, expressive comes naturally to you. You are very skilled at communicating your thoughts, through conversation and creative pursuits. You are able to get other on board with your ideas. So, ibig sabihin dito, malakas ang charisma mo. Kaya mong hatakin sila, no? Sa mga ideas mo, sa mga, kumbaga, nire-represent mo or something na ino-offer mo, no? Malakas ang atake mo sa kanila. It's a good part, no? Kumbaga, malakas ang charisma mo or malakas talaga yung atake mo sa kanila. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And of course, there is a masculine energy. Wow, ang hot. Some of you guys, there is a masculine dito. And of course, there is a ancestor guide. So, some of you baka ginagabayan kayo ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay na yumao. No? And of course, there is a cold, so detachment, no? Kumbaga mayroon ng, kailangan mo nang kumawala sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo naman pagkakatiwalaan. Sa mga taong gumawa sa'yo ng mali or hindi mabuti sa'yo. So, guys, let's see what is additional messages. For Archangel Michael, messages. For Archangel Michael, messages represent. Let's see, okay, have confidence. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo, ha? And you protected your home is protected by angels. So, ibig sabihin, protektado naman daw yung tahanan ng ating mga gabay. It's a good part. So, let's see what is additional messages. Honesty. So, pinaka dito is honesty. So, ang katapatan, no? Maging totoo ka sa lahat ng bagay. At maging tapat ka and denial, no? Kailangan maging i-acknowledge mo yung fear, palitan mo yan ng awareness, no? So let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for you is breath of the cosmos. So sinasabi dito, may will to my will. Ibig sabihin dito, kung talagang para sa'yo, no? Kung ibibigay sa'yo ng ating universe. So what is the Montology? What is the Montology? Montology represents to surrender to the divine. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nyo surrender sa ating mga gabay lahat, or rather, sa ating universe, no? Your commitment is being tested. Some of you, yung inyong relationship, yung business mo is, kumbaga, tested na yan. And of course, you have your faith, have faith in your dreams. No? Magtiwala ka daw sa pangarap mo, sa hangarin mo, no? So, let's see what is the energy. Energy represent anxiety. Some of you nagkakaroon talaga ng anxiety or depressions, no? Nakakaranas. And of course, first chakra, Archangel Gabriel, for your intuitions. Makikinig ka lagi sa inner voice mo, no? And of course, adjustment possibilities. May mga pinto ang magsasara at may mga pinto ang magbubukas sa oportunidad para sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, maganda ka lang sa mga panibagong chapter or phase na mangyayari sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a problem solving. So, ibig sabihin na resolution, no? Masusolusyon na yung mga problema nyo. At the same time, there is a food by a relationship. So, some of you, kumaga may relationship dito na nagkakaroon ng problema about sa health. So, ibig sabihin dito, mayroon kayong health issue together kasi may mga, siguro nakakakain kayo madalas fast food. So, kailangan nyo ng pagkain na alam nyo makakatulong sa iyo. And of course, there's a trouble. Some of you, mayroon daw gala or may alis kayo dito. And of course, some of you baka makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. And of course, there's a music. Kumbaga, makakatulong daw itong music sa inyo for healing. No? Para makapag-relax, unwind, diba? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages for you. And of course, guys, there's a... Okay. Call upon Archangel Raphael for help. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nyo ng tulong ng Archangel Raphael for healing. So, kailangan nyo talaga ng kagalingan. Baka talagang marami kayong pinagdaanan from the past, no? Yung sugat ng nakaraan, sugat ng pinagdadaanan until now. Now, ano kasi sinasabi dito, failed, no? Magtiwala kayo sa process at progress. At sinusubukan natin yung pananampalataya nyo. And of course, there's a fake in, no? Mag-ingat kayo kasi may mga taong nagbabalat kayo or plastic behind your back. No, mag-ingat. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angel? Soulmate. So, some of you talaga, there's a soul contract. There's a soulmate dito, ha? So, ibig sabihin, maganda ka dahil may pag-ibig na nakalaan para sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Pero kung sinasabi dito, peace Peace, I leave it with you. My peace, I give it to you. Ibig sabihin yung kapayapaan, no? Ibibigay sa'yo ng ating may kapal. So, baga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, ang kapayapaan ay manggagaling din sa inyo, no? Kumbaga, pag hindi mo pinatulan yung mga tao na yun, bagkos, pinili mo pa rin maging malaya sa kaisipan, no? Sa worry, sa stress, no? Kumbaga, bibigay sa'yo ni God yan. 'Di ba? Mas maganda yung nananahimik kaysa pinapatulan. So, let's see what is the messages for you ng ating mga gabay. And of course, there is the inner sense. So, sinasabi dito, guys, today, as I quiet the noise of my mind, I become aware to the voice of my heart. I listen closely to my inner voice. I trust myself and develop confidence in my two intuitions. My inner truth is divine truth. I allow it to influence and guide me every day. So, ibig sabihin nito, naniniwala ka sa inner voice mo, sa sarili mong kakayanan, sa sarili mong kaisipan, no? Naniniwala ka na hindi ka pababayaan ng ating mga spirit guide sa mga decision mo sa buhay. So, guys, para sinasabi ko sa'yo dito na may darating na pag-ibig na wagas, charis. Kumaga nasaktan ka man sa nangyari sa isa nakaraan, may taong magtuturo sa'yo, no? Or magbibigay sa'yo ng pagkakataon para magmahal muli at buksan ang puso mo para sa panibagong chapter. At the same time, mayroon tagumpay na magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. Kaya sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumapit ka. Wala ka pa sa exciting part, no? Kumbaga sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na habang tumatagal, nagiging exciting ang iyong nagiging exciting yung chapter, no? Sa kaya galingan mo. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagop. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsusuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Pagpalain kayo na Diyos at may kapal siksik tiglig na umapaw ang biyayang bumalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.